I'm going to show you how to close your Binance account. So first you want to open up the Binance app, click on the three horizontal lines on the top left, and then click on your profile logo. Now you want to click on the security button and scroll all the way down and click on manage account. Now from here you should be able to click on disable account if you want to disable it temporarily, or click on close account, which is what we want. So you can click on close account and then choose a reason for closure. For example, you no longer want to use this account, and then click on continue. And before you close your Binance account, you might need to retrieve your Web3 wallet private keys. And if you have any assets or features into your account, or if you're doing any trading and stuff like that, you will need to stop it and basically withdraw your money before doing it. And once you follow through that, you can basically close your account, and it should take you to the login page once it's closed. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.